Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Feel welcome that provide solution very quickly. Now here we have 227 to the power of x, then times x is equal to 1. We are going to divide x on both sides by x. This will provide 27 to the power of x, which is equal to 1 over x. What we do on one side, we must do it on another side. Then we are going to multiply power 1 over x here, which is equal to 1 over x, then power 1 over x. This will provide 27 because this one will be cancelled to get 1 over x power 1 over x. 27 is equal to 3 to the power of 3, which is equal to 1 over x, then power 1 over x. So we are going to check if base and power are equal. To mean that here we will have 3, which is equal to 1 over x, and here it is for base, and we are going to check to the power. Here we have 3, which is equal to 1 over x. To me that are equal. This will provide 3x, which is equal to 1, and x will be equal to 1 over 3. And here about power, this will provide 3, which is equal to 1 over x, then 3x is equal to 1, then x will be equal to 1 over 3. To mean that power and base are equal. Now let's check. By checking, here we have 27 power x, then times x will be equal to 1. Here we have 27 power 1 over 3, then times 1 over 3 is equal to 1. This will provide 3 to the power of 3, then times 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 is equal to 1. This one will be cancelled to get 3 power 1 times 1 over 3 is equal to 1. This will provide 3 over 3 is equal to 1. Then 1 is equal to 1. To mean that x is equal to 1 over 3. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Then don't forget to subscribe and share. See you the next time.